snake eyes, which have two holes in the head. These are for removing, which are basically 1-inch bits. We also have a screwdriver that these snap into, and you just slide it in, push it forward, lock it in, and your bit is in there. This particular screw is heavily used. This is a 10 by 3/4 inch screw with a truss head. So this is a truss head security screw. This screw is used on license plates. So I have here a truss head spanner snake eye screw that I demonstrated to you. And this is the driver bit in this screwdriver. And I have a plate here. This is the most common screw used in this application. A lot of guys like this. They're made out of stainless steel and they look nice on your car, especially if you have an historic car or a Corvette. Corvette guys like this. Everybody asks, what size screw do I need for my license plate, to hold my license plate on? I want to use those snake eye or spanner screws. And there it is, right there. We do get some complaints from buyers saying they snap the bits. In several situations, you could snap the bit. However, if you use it properly, you will not snap the bit. Some applications where you would possibly snap a bit. One, going into a hardwood without pre-drilling. If you go into hardwood and you don't pre-drill and you just try to drive the sheet metal screw into the wood, chances are you will snap the bit or you'll snap the screw. Either one could happen. I can drive this screw into this softwood, which is a 2x4, with no issues of snapping a bit and remove it. And I'm going to demonstrate that. Another way to snap a bit would be running it into a material, and then on the back end there's some metal that the screw cannot go through, and you're trying and you get an immediate stop in the screw. That will snap a bit. There's only like 2 teeth on one of these spanner bit drivers, and of course they can snap. It's not the perfect world with these type of bits. Not like a Torx driver or something along those lines, where they're very hard to strip out or snap. So I'm going to demonstrate right now installing this. And it's always important to make sure that your bit is square to the screw and the wood, so you have a positive contact. Put your hand on the back of the drill and you'll see I'm just driving it in with no problems, and it'll suck it in. And now I just snapped it. And why did I snap it? I snapped it because the head is countersunk and the screw came to a stopping point. So those who are snapping bits, that would give you a reason. So you can see here, the bit is snapped. So I can't use that bit anymore. If you're driving a screw in a natural piece of wood and not over torquing it, you should have absolutely no problems with the bits. It doesn't matter the quality of the bit. You will still snap the bit if you do that type of situation.